Ever wondered how to get your money into Uphold, that versatile platform for crypto, fiat, and even precious metals? You're not alone. Many people discover Uphold and its anything-to-anything trading capabilities, but then the question arises, how do I actually fund my account? It's a crucial first step, whether you're looking to buy your first Bitcoin, diversify your portfolio with some gold, or simply transfer funds internationally. Uphold aims to make it as straightforward as possible, offering a few different ways to deposit money, each with its own benefits and processing times. Let's break down the most common methods to get your funds ready for action on Uphold. One of the most popular ways to deposit money into Uphold is through a direct bank transfer. This method is generally cost-effective and allows for larger deposit amounts, making it a favorite for many users. For users in the United States, you'll typically use ACH, Automated Clearing House, transfers. You can link your bank account to Uphold using either Plaid, a secure third-party service that makes the process quick and easy, or by verifying with microdeposits, where Uphold sends small amounts to your bank account that you then confirm. ACH deposits are often free and funds are usually available for trading almost instantly, though there might be a 2-day withdrawal lock for security. Larger deposits via wire transfer are also an option for U.S. users, though these might incur a fee if under $5,000 and typically settle within 2 business days. Some banks also support instant settlement via RTP or FedNow, which is a fantastic option if available to you. If you're in the UK, you'll use Faster Payments, FPS, and for users in the EEA, European Economic Area, SEPA, Single Euro Payments Area, transfers are the go-to. These are also generally free for deposits and offer a reliable way to fund your account. When using these methods, Uphold will provide you with a unique account number and a reference code. It's critical to include this reference code in your bank transfer to ensure your funds are credited to your Uphold account promptly. Forgetting it can lead to significant delays. Keep in mind that when depositing from a bank account, the name on your bank account must match the name on your Uphold wallet for security and regulatory reasons. For those who prioritize speed and convenience, depositing funds using a debit or credit card is an excellent option. Debit and credit card deposits are typically processed instantly, meaning your funds are available for immediate use on Uphold. This is particularly useful if you want to jump on a market opportunity right away. To do this, simply navigate to the deposit section in the Uphold app or on the website, select debit/credit card, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. Uphold generally accepts Visa and MasterCard. There's a trade-off for this speed, though. Debit and credit card deposits usually come with a fee, often around 3.99%. While this might seem like a small percentage, it's something to factor into your calculations, especially for larger deposits. Also, be aware of any limits, which are typically set daily, weekly, and monthly by Uphold. Uphold offers even more flexibility beyond traditional bank transfers and cards. You can also deposit funds using Apple Pay or Google Pay, which offers the same instant processing and similar fees to debit/credit card deposits, providing a seamless mobile experience. For those in the crypto space, you can also deposit cryptocurrencies directly into your Uphold wallet from an external wallet or another exchange. This is incredibly convenient if you already hold crypto elsewhere and want to consolidate your assets or take advantage of Uphold's trading pairs. Be mindful of network fees associated with crypto transfers, as these vary depending on the specific cryptocurrency and blockchain network. Before you make any deposit, always double-check Uphold's fees and limits. These can vary based on your region and the specific deposit method you choose. You can find detailed information on their official support pages. The minimum deposit amount is often as low as $1, which is great for new users just getting started. It's also essential that your Uphold account is fully verified. This usually involves providing a government-issued ID and a verified email address. Verification is crucial for security and to comply with financial regulations, and it can affect your deposit and withdrawal limits. Occasionally, deposits may be temporarily held for review, but Uphold will notify you immediately if this happens. Depositing money into Uphold is designed to be user-friendly, offering a range of options to suit different needs. Whether you prefer the lower fees of bank transfers or the instant gratification of card payments, you have choices. Simply pick the method that works best for you, follow the steps, and you'll be ready to explore all that Uphold has to offer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.